In this video I will show you how to repair a pocket of a jeans. I cut the part with the tear off and replaced it with a new piece of fabric because the tear was relatively big and the pocket was worn out. If you're looking for more sewing tutorials, subscribe to our channel or go to the Madame Sew sewing blog. So first let's iron the pocket before we decide which part to cut off. Use a marker and add some notches so you know how to add the new piece. Position this piece you cut off on a double folded piece of fabric on the fold. Add 1/2 inch seam allowance and 1 inch at the edge you just cut off. The pocket piece that is still attached to the jeans doesn't have seam allowance, so you need a double seam allowance at this side. Cut out the new fabric piece and don't forget to copy the notches so you can match them later. Grab your jeans and unpick 1 inch at the pocket piece that is still attached so you can attach the new piece of fabric more easily later on. Pin the new piece to the pocket on your jeans and sew together all around. If you copied the notches on the new piece of fabric, you can match the two pieces exactly and use 1/4 inch seam allowance. I'll first show you how the outside looks, like this. Now we're going to finish these edges with pinking shears. Add a top stitching on the outside of the pocket to make this seam lie flat. I stitched on the edge like 1/8 inch and made it lie flat towards the bottom. Now you can finish the side seam on the inside of the pocket. A first row of stitching at 1/4 inch, then press and top stitch on the outside to finish the seam like the original seam. And that's it. Your pocket is repaired. It looks nice, right? My husband won't be losing his keys anymore.